Hey there, and welcome to the channel. My name is Dana, and in today's video I want to show you how to make a really simple DIY home spray that's going to rival the chemical sprays you might typically be using. So let's get into it. Now, to get started with this fragrance spray, you are going to need baking soda. I have about 2 tablespoons of baking soda that's in here. Baking soda is great to help neutralize and trap the odor in the spray, and it's really one of the powerhouses that's part of the spray. Now, if you don't have baking soda, you could substitute with cornstarch if you have it, and that will also work as well. Now, as far as your essential oils, you can really use any essential oil that you like, any fragrance combination that you like. But for this video and for my home, now that it's summer, I'm actually going to be working with more citrusy scents. So I'm going to pull some grapefruit, lemon, and tea tree. Now, the trick to your fragrance is you want to go heavier on the base fragrance that you prefer. So, for example, if you were just using lavender, for example, you would use 10 to 15 drops of lavender. But if you're combining them and lavender is your base scent, you would do 10 drops of lavender and then 5 of any additional essential oils that you are mixing. So I am going to start with 10 drops of lemon, and then I'm going to combine 5 drops of tea tree and 5 drops of grapefruit essential oils for this combination. So you want to make sure that your essential oils and your baking soda are mixed together really well. I like to keep stirring it and combining it so that there's really no clumps, essentially is what you're looking for. Now the next thing you're going to do is take a small funnel and add your baking soda to your container. Now that we have your baking soda and essential oils combined, the only thing you want to do next is just combine this with distilled water. That's what I like to use. If you don't have distilled water, you can either use witch hazel or vodka. Those would work really well. Now, the reason you would want to do either one of those 3 and not tap water is because we want to make sure that your home spray doesn't set up any opportunity for microbes or bacteria. So I would highly suggest using either one of those things. So we're just going to add this through a funnel. And I would suggest like topping it off, ideally. Okay, and then you just want to add your top. Add a little bit from my extra. Add your top, if I can get it on. And then give it a good shake. So every time you go to use it, you want to make sure that you shake it. That way you're combining the water and baking soda. And that's it. You have your own home spray that you can use on carpets. You can use it in your car. You can use it on your furniture, in your shoes, wherever your home needs a little bit of freshening. You can go ahead and use this. So the only other thing I will say is that when you are combining your essential oils, if you have pets or maybe small infants, please do your research to make sure the oils that you are combining are safe around your babies and around your pets, because if you're spraying it around your home, you want to make sure that those oils are pet and baby safe. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That way you boost more of my videos into the YouTube algorithm. And more importantly, subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video each and every Sunday. Take care.